Hello, welcome to KD Tutorials. Today we are discussing about the next part of strategic management and we are discussing about BCG matrix. In BCG matrix, we are discussing about what is BCG matrix, what are the two main influencing dimensions involved, and what are the quadrants in the BCG matrix. First, this is the diagram of BCG matrix. In BCG matrix, there are four quadrants. First is star, second question mark, and third is cascow, and fourth is dog. Basically, we know about that BCG matrix is a comparison in product life cycle model. In product life cycle model, we can only know about the one product portfolio, but in BCG matrix we discuss about a product line of the organization, and product line means any organizations that they have produced a number of product. With the help of BCG matrix, an organizations know about what is the product portfolio of their. Okay, first, what is BCG matrix? BCG matrix, also known as the Boston Consulting Group matrix, and also often termed as the BCG matrix, as a popular corporate tools that is used for easy portrayal of the brand's portfolio in the form of a quadrant represents. It means that a company know about a product line of their organizations. This is also a portfolio of any product. It means that a company know about where they have cash earn and where they have to investment. Next, BCG matrix, there are two factors involved in BCG matrix. First is relative market share and second is market growth rate. Relative market share means this is a common factors that the higher market shares and the result is better cash returns. It means that where a company, a product know about that, this is the cash returns. The reason why that is because the firm has constantly including in more production is the benefiting from the higher trends economy represent the scales. Second is market growth rate. It means that a company know about that where we have to invest cash in this product. Next, there are four quadrants in BCG matrix: dog, cascow, star, and question mark. Let's discuss about the first quadrant, dogs. Dogs are those products they have low market share and low market share in comparison to other competitive quadrant and slowly growing market rate. It means that those products they have to not a relative market share and not a growth rate. But like a coin, everything has two sides. It believes that there is a few of the dogs who can bring around portfolio results in long period of time. So we can say that in first quadrant, dogs they have low market share and low and high market growth rates. Next, cash cow. This is the next section of the quadrant including the cash cow. They are considered the high market share but low growth rate. It means that a product that earn more cash and there no need to invest in the product. Next, this is a star. It means that high market share and the high market growth rate. because they have the peak point of the product. Every company think about that their every product in star quadrants. Next, question mark. It means that high growth rate but low market share. These are the new product where company to invest in their advertising, in their branding, and they the question mark are convert in stars. So we can say that this BCG matrix in comparison to PLC model of market. PLC means product life cycle of the product of any organization. In BCG matrix we can discuss a company know about that a product line of their products, because a company have produced a number of products. With the help of BCG matrix they about net what products are cash generated and where they have to investment and where they have to stop the product produce. But in PLC models we can only know about a company know about only one product. So this is BCG matrix. Thank you.